It is my pleasure to be among you. We have conceived All India Lions Council as a past participating.
कुछ बुला रहे हैं आपको.
It is our pleasure again that with the help of our nation president, Honorable Justice Devashish Karlukar, we could convey our request to Honorable Justice Mrs. Indira Banerjee, and she has conferred us to be here as our chief guest. It would be written into the annals of the AILC that Honorable Indira Banerjee agreed to inaugurate our function. Apart from Honorable Indira Banerjee, our nation president has always been patronizing us. First, he agreed to head our All India Lions State Committee of West Bengal. Thereafter, he has been elected as president for a term of 3 years. And just now he is currently patronizing us in all the way, taking all the pains, making journeys from Kolkata to the venue of the program. We are also very thankful to our Vice President Khwaja Javed Susab, who has day out and day in been very active in running All India Lions Council. We have got again among the Lions Advocate Xavier Felix, who belongs to Chennai and has been noted for in entire India as a person who stood with the victims of the bomb blast of Coimbatore. Several of them were ordered to be hanged, to be life imprisonment, and his human service resulted in acquittal of all the persons who were falsely implicated. We also have with us Ikram Bari Saab, a senior counsel at Kolkata High Court. He has been unwell, but still made a journey to come to Kolkata, to Delhi. Our team of national secretaries has been very helpful. Advocate Santosh Lakshman Jadhav from Maharashtra, Advocate Bhupen Nishad from Allahabad High Court, Advocate Haider Ali from Jharkhand High Court, Ranchi, Lakshmi Raja, who is our academic anchor or compare of this program, and Najma Akhtar Saiba, who is still to take off. Still, we are waiting to take off. We have also have our gathering Rafiq Chauhan Saab, a senior lawyer, and Ehsan Islam Chaudhary from Kanpur have made all the journey to attend this program. Our brother and lawyer at Supreme Court, Advocate Vijay Kasana, has always been with us in all the social causes. And the coordinator of program, Khairullah Qureshi, is also here. She has also contributed in a way. I am supposed to explain the theme of All India Lions Council. A Xerox copy has already been supplied. The program is delayed, so I would not consume much time to repeat the facts. So I seek leave to come to the main points. What All India Lions Council is supposed to perform. The main object of All India Lions Council is to cultivate a cult that may shoulder the responsibility in social welfare, not making the protest outside court, not sloganeering, but create a cult to be most effective in presentation of the case inside the court before the judges, and to maintain the decorum and dignity, because as our chief guest has just spoken, that advocate is an official at court. But if we go through our experience, we see that whatever hostile attitude at the beginning may be from the judges, if you maintain the dignity and decorum, and you are efficient at the point presenting, then this is always open to concede your point and to grant you relief. But the way to cajole, to blackmail, is not via the advocacy. Advocacy is always to decently put the point and to wait for the discretion of the judge, which may not be beyond limit be resented. Our courts are doing a great job in maintaining and preserving the democracy. Sometimes we have some pessimism, but it is always a timing. We have to keep a full confidence in the working of the court and have to create in ourselves a urge as well as an efficiency to present our arguments decently. All India Alliance Council has shortlisted some points, though the aims and objects are many. But for the time being, as party, we have fixed 5 points to be taken up at priority basis. The one is to facilitate the legal help at all levels to victimized and oppressed people, beginning with the investigation level. Because a lawyer is supposed only to entertain the briefings which are carried to his chamber and is paid. But the times demands that we should start from the investigation level as an organization, so that we may correct if there is a twist in the FIR by giving a timely help, and also in collection of the evidence, so that efficient prosecution may be held. Number second is to provide legal aid in the prosecution against the persons or organizations making hateful, provocative, or violent statements, acts, publication, or broadcasting. We see that people feel impunity in making a statement, in spreading hatred and violence. So, as an organization, we should take care that these persons may have a fear of the law, and it is duty of the Lions Council to bring them to the book, to bring them to the court, to bring them to the prosecution, so that they may not feel to make any irresponsible statement. The next is to render legal help to the persons unfortunately fallen to the fake prosecution after discharge or acquittal by filing cases for the malicious prosecution, as well as seeking the compensation for the damages. We see fake cases are filed, people are incarcerated for years to come, sometimes decades, then acquittal is awarded, but entire life is wasted. So they are not left to have proceedings further. In these occasions, All India Lions Council should shoulder responsibility to facilitate so that those persons who are habitually malicious or those who file the cases on fake grounds should be taken to the task. The other is to facilitate the legislation conducive to the democratic norms in every walk of life, and to facilitate the concept of the social democracy in the country. Our society is full of the malice where decisions are taken on the basis of the party. So the Indian Constitution guarantees that on the basis of a caste, creed and community, nobody should be discriminated and equality should prevail. Fraternity be maintained. The next is to endeavor acquiring the overall discipline and empowerment of legal fraternity, to endeavor the respectful relation between bar and bench. Our test is that we should always try to maintain and promote the good relation between bar and bench. So All India Lawyers Council has taken the responsibilities to create an atmosphere that its member may always be obedient and be protective to the legal system. So the office bearers of the All India Lawyers Council have in second term been elected on 11 March. That function was also graced by Honorable Justice Ashok Kumar Ganguly, the former judge of Supreme Court, and we are again having a company of another renowned judge of former Supreme Court with the occasion that he has also inaugurated. The main thrust of this function is to declare the formation of the regular committee of the AIC Delhi, because we have been working under AIC organizing committee and need some work, because the Delhi is a very important place where more than 7 jails are situated in a small vicinity, in a small area where we may approach easily, so that we may know the persons who have been under the custody, in the jail for a long time, who have not been able to pay the fines, only not to pay the fines after completing the sentence, they are still jails. So we have to get the information, and our All India Lawyers Council by next month should try with the volunteers to collect the information of those persons who have been in jail only because they are not able to pay the fines. The other is that some under-tribes without the legal help are being incarcerated, though they may get the bail if properly actions are taken. So the All India Lawyers Council would also do. The one important last point is that the All India Lawyers Council do not want to have seminars, debating competitions. All India Lawyers Council wants to create a cult of lawyers efficient to present their cases inside court before the judges. For that, we propose to hold a workshop particularly on the subjects of special laws, because special laws have taken the right on the fundamental rights. So we would like to hold the workshop here in Delhi with some limited people, inviting from all over India, because All India Lawyers Council has just now 18 states presence. So from 18 states, we would call 2 persons from each state, and these lawyers would have a long 3 days workshop on the special laws, on the procedure, as well as on the precedent, so that in courts the lawyers may be more assisting to the judges to reach the conclusion, to give the judgment. So Lawyers Council has taken those subjects and procedures on the soldiers which are not competitive in any way to any other organization. Other organizations create awareness and shout the slogans. Shout, come out for the protest. All India Alliance Council has taken the decision not to make any protest outside court. If any happenings take place, all India Alliance Council members are supposed to file a case of petition in the court so that we may get the justice by the way in the legal framework. Thank you very much for coming here. Now we would have a lot of time and our